Hello friends, so here is all the topics which I am going to cover in this MySQL learning tutorials. So the first point is what is MySQL history, then what is SQL, difference between RDBMS and DBMS, features of MySQL, entities and its relationship, normalization and denormalization, data types, operators, then MySQL table types or engines, database designing, perform insert, update, delete operations on tables, select data from tables, useful functions and clauses for select query. So here we will see almost all the clauses and functions which is being used in select query, like where, having, in, exist, not exist, group by, concate, w is, like, order by, group by, limit, if, null, is not null, and or reg exp. So reg exp is used for the purpose of regular expressions. Then how to how to import data from a file to a MySQL database, and then how to export data from MySQL to a file. Then we will see subquery uses with the complete example, joins, key in tables like primary key, foreign key, candidate key, unique key, etc. Union, and union alls, indexing in detail, views, procedural functions. In procedural functions there are being two things, procedures and functions. Then we will see cursor, loops and conditional statements, triggers, transaction, practice of advanced MySQL queries, useful some useful functions and keywords, query optimization techniques, MySQL administration in brief, interview question and answer for beginners, and then interview questions and answer for advanced developers. So these are the topics which I'm going to cover in this MySQL tutorial. So let's watch my next video in which I'm going to cover uh, some of the topic. Okay, thanks.